16. A right circular cylinder has a volume of 432 cubic centimeters. A right circular cylinder means there's a circle on the top, there's a circle on the bottom, and it's a cylinder. And if you draw this straight line down, it makes a right angle. That is a right circular cylinder. Now there is a trick to finding the volume, or the formula for volume, of any cylinder or prism. So in any of those, cylinder and prism, we have a face on the bottom and we have a face on the top, or two bases, and they are identical and they are connected by straight sides that form right angles with those bases. All right, I kind of undo what I just did there, and there we go. All right, so it's always going to be the area of one of those bases times the height gives you the volume. So if this was a triangular prism, same sort of thing. It'd be the area of that base times the height. If it was a rectangular prism, area of that base times the height. And you're just going to use whatever formula for area applies in that. So again, if it was a triangular, you'd use the formula for area of a triangle to multiply by the height. Same with a rectangle. Here it's a circle, circular cylinder. So circle on top and bottom. So I'd find the area of this base and multiply it times the height. Area of the base times the height, in this case, would be using the formula for area of a circle. Now they're telling us that the area of the base of the cylinder is 24 square meters. So the area here is 24. So I'm going to replace that in my formula. 24 times this giant letter H. 24 times the height. And that equals my volume, which they told us was 432 cubic centimeters. What is the height? Well, just have 24 times h, and I am going to rewrite this slightly to make it a little nicer looking. 24 times the height, 24 times h, equals 432. So I just need to undo this, undo what's been done to h. H has been multiplied by 24. I need to undo that by dividing both sides by 24, because it is an equation, so I need to do it to both sides. And when I do that, I get h is equal to 18. The height is 18. Some of these variations of this type of problem would have asked you to say find the area of the base. They might have just given you the radius in this case and require you to know that, oh, well, the area, of a circle is pi r squared, and I have the radius, and I have to do that and divide by height. They helped us out a lot by just telling us the area of the base is 24. So if we know our thing that for a cylinder, it's area of the base times height, okay, 24 times the height equals 432. There we go. They're actually being nice for once. Height is 18. That is A. Hey guys, head over to my new site, mathwithalyssa.com, to get your free 10-video course of SAT tips and tricks. It covers things like how to make a study plan that's perfect for you, how to pace yourself during the test to get maximum points, and so much more. I'm super excited to get this out to you guys, and a lot more SAT prep help is coming for you in the weeks ahead. Again, that is mathwithalyssa.com. And if you liked the video you just watched, please let YouTube know. Comment, like, share, subscribe. You know the drill. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you have a great day. See you later. Bye.